Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mataji, yesterday was Putra Ekadashi.
I know it was Putra Ekadashi, right? Such a good one. Yeah. And then you also heard two other words. What were those other than Putra?
Mataji,
Ah,
could you go back to the mom and dad slide?
okay.
Okay, is this recorded?
Yes, dear, it is recorded.
Okay.
Okay. So Putra Putri, what else words did you learn for boy and girl, for the child, for the children? Shall I show you? We learned Tanaya and Tanuja, right? For boy child, it's Tanaya, Tanuja, and for girl, we said it would become A. So Tanaya, Tanuja. So these are some words for daughter and son. Okay. Now we are going further and we are going to do husband and wife. Okay. So husband, you all know what is husband. What is husband in Sanskrit?
Patihi.
Pati.
Very good. So do you want to?
And wife is Patni.
Yeah,
Wife
wife
is
is
Patni.
Patni. So you want to note it down? You can note it down because you can keep a book and write down these little words in Sanskrit. It will be very helpful as you develop your Sanskrit grammar. Okay. See, actually, when you put a visarga means, remember in Randa Mataji's class, she taught you two dots like that, vertical dots. That is called as a visarga. So if you put a visarga, it indicates male. You can put a visarga here. Otherwise, without a visarga also, it's fine. Okay, so you see here, I have not put the visarga. So here it is pati, patihi, and patni. Half the and then ni, patni. So husband is pati and wife is patni. So tell me, who's Lakshmi Pati?
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Correct. Husband of Lakshmi. Very good.
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Okay.
Narayan.
Narayan. Very good.
Narayanaha.
Narayana. Very nice.
Narayana.
So the husband of the goddess of fortune is Lakshmi Pati or Ramapati. Okay. Okay. So that's one word for Pati, and Patni is for husband and wife. Now,
Mataji,
there are,
could you wait? I'm still noting down.
yes, dear, you note down.
Mataji, like for us, I just wrote my own name in Sanskrit, I think.
Wow, that's awesome.
Like on Zoom, I renamed myself.
You renamed yourself? Oh, interesting. I
Yeah,
should
I
see
also
that.
learned Sanskrit in a different class.
I also have Sanskrit,
Suraj, I see that.
English,
Very
and then my
nice.
mother tongue. I have two Sanskrit classes.
Wonderful, dear. Wonderful.
One is this Sanskrit class, one is another.
This is just random every alternate Monday. This is just to make sure that you're on top of things, okay? So, husband is Pati and wife is Patni. Let's say if there are some more words to indicate husband and wife. Okay, so you got these words. These are Bharta or Bhartu. Okay, Bharta, Bhartru. Or wife is called as Bharya. So you must have heard this word, Bharta Bharya. Bharta.
Mataji, that's how you say it in Telugu also.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. Bharya, Bharta. That is very common in Telugu, right? Yes, very good.
Yeah.
So you can note this down. Since you know how to write the script, you can note this down. Bharta. And you see here in the tha, there is a line that is extended. So that means you have to stress on the tha. Okay? Bharta, like that. So when the line is extended on tha, you stress on the tha. Again, here the line is extended. Bhartru. You have something here, a small c like this here, and then on top. So Bhartru it is. Okay. But generally they say Bharta. That is common. Bhartru depends on the context of the speech. And wife is Bharya. Everyone knows that, right? Wife is Bharya. So you remember all these alphabets, the script, all of you remember?
Mataji,
Yeah.
sorry to disturb, but could you go back to the parents and son and daughter slides?
Okay. Tanaya, Tanuja, Putra. All of this is son. Tanaya, Tanuja, Putri. If you extend like that, it becomes female.
Mataji, what are different names for mom and dad?
Mom and dad, Mata. Here you go. Mata, Janani, Pita, Janaka.
Actually, for Sanskrit, I learned in the class that if it ends like with E, like E or A, then it's feminine.
Yes, that's correct.
If it's just like aha, then it's male.
Male, correct. If it is just plain or aha with a visarga, it is male. If it ends with an extension like Mata, then Janani, then it is female. If you just put a visarga, generally it is male, or if you leave the visarga also, still 90% of the time it will be male. Okay. Okay. So we saw this. Now we are going further. We are going to see brother-sister relationship
Could you
also.
go to the last slide?
Yeah.
Why are you taking so long?
I'm done now.
Good job. Okay, now we are going to brother-sister relationship and watch carefully. There are some intricacies here. Okay, the general name for brother is Brata. Okay, Brata. You see this? Bra. There is a ra vattu there. How do I show? I'll show you in paper pencil. So there is one. I don't know if you can see this. Where is my screen?
I wrote my name in Hindi.
Right, it's two. Can you see? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so you see that R here in the bottom, there is a mark like that. So that is Brata. And then you have Bhagini. Bhagini. This is one name for sister, but we're going to see some more names for sister. Bhagini. Brata.
Bhagini, big. Can you just wait for 2 moments because I'm just.
General.
Elder sister or smaller sister?
No. It's
In
just
general.
general. We are going to go to elder and younger next. Okay, this is just a
Everything is
general term. Just like you say sister, brother. That's all. We are going to go further and see what is elder, what is younger. That is the next set. Okay, but you note this down. Bhagini, Brata. You note down these two, and then we'll see further ones. Okay.
I think like older brother is Agrajaha.
Very good. Very good.
And
We are
then
going to-
older sister is Agraja, and then
And then Anuja and
Correct. All of you are on top of things. Okay. There is one more word for general brother and sister. You see that word Sodaraha, Sodari.
Back to the other slide.
Okay. Prata Bhagini.
Mataji, that one also is Telugu.
Yeah, that's also Telugu.
Mataji, there's something wrong. I think you wrote that thing in the letter Sanskrit, but really it is a word from Telugu.
No, dear. All our Indian languages have their roots in Sanskrit.
They
That's
come
why
from
it sounds like Telugu. Okay.
Sanskrit is the first
Sanskrit is the mother of all languages.
Yeah. Like
Mataji.
Telugu and
Okay.
Brother is also
Sanskrit is the mother of all languages.
Now we have one more word.
Can
It's
you please just one second, just quickly go to the last one. I'm almost done with it.
okay, dear. Right.
Mataji,
Ah,
brother in Sanskrit is also Sahodara.
yes, Sodara or Sahodara.
Sahodaraha.
Mataji, could you go to the next slide, please?
Yes. Okay. So you can write it as Sahodara or Sodara, and then sister is Sodari. You know the meaning of Saha Udara? Actually, Sodara comes from the word Saha Udara. Who is Dama Udara?
Lord Krishna or Damodar.
Damodara is Dama Udara. What does it mean? What is Dama? What is Udara?
Dama means
Udara means
Udara means stomach.
Stomach, yes. So, Saha Udara or Saha Udari means one who's born from the same stomach. So, who are the two people who are born from the same stomach?
brother and sister.
A brother and a sister.
Brother and a sister.
Sister or brother, siblings basically. Siblings, okay? So a brother, like we saw, the male has a visarga and the female has an extension. So the male is Saha Udara or Sodara and the sister is Sodari or Saha Udari or yeah, you can call it like that. Saha plus Udari. So Udara is stomach. One Saha means same, right? So Saha Udara becomes Sodaraha, Sodari. Sahodara, Sahodari. These are all very common names in many languages in India, right? In I don't know about maybe Telugu also. Sahodara, Sahodari you have. In Tamil we have Sahodara, Sahodari. Okay. So coming from the same Udara is Saha Udara, Sahodara or Sodara. Sometimes they write it as Sodara, Sodari. Okay. Next. Now we are going to get into elder and younger siblings. This is what you all were
Mataji,
excited.
can you go to the back
go ahead.
last slide?
Yeah.
Mataji, this is a record. This is recorded, right?
Yes, it is.
On what? YouTube or Facebook?
YouTube and Facebook.
Also,
Okay, thank you.
Facebook.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see for elder and younger siblings. Okay. So elder brother, see when you say Jeshta, this here, this word is called as, this is half ja, and then you have ye, half sh, and then full ta. Jeshta brata. So what did we see? Brother is brata, correct? If you remember in the previous slides, we saw brother is brata. So therefore, this is called as Jeshta brata, and the younger one is called as Kanishta. Jeshta, Kanishta. You can note it down. Something that is older, anyone who's older is called as Jeshta. Supposing you have an elder son, you say Jeshta Putra because Putra is son. So therefore, elder son is called as Jeshta Putra. Younger son is called Kanishta Putra. Similarly, elder brother is called Jeshta Brata. Younger brother is called Kanishta Brata. So how would you call a elder and younger sister?
It just says elder brother, younger brother, elder brother, younger brother.
No, we'll go to that next. You just finish this portion. So how would you call a elder brother and elder sister and a younger sister according to this rule? Putting Jeshta and Kanishta.
Jeshta.
Jeshta Putuni.
Hey, what is sister?
Bhagini.
Ah,
Jeshta Bhagini.
yeah. Kanishta Bhagini.
Kanishta
Bhagini. Very good, very good. Okay, so Jeshta means older, Kanishta means younger. Okay, so remember these words because these words are used again and again. But there is also another term for elder and younger brother. That is, like all of you were telling some time back, the elder is called as Agraja and the younger is called as Anuja. Anu means to follow. Like you have Anuradha. The follower of Radha is called as Anuradha. So like that.
Just Lakshman's name is Rama Anuja.
Ramanuja. Because he is Rama Anuja. Ramanuja. Very good. Good job. Lakshmana's name is Ramanuja.
But it is also Ramanujacharya.
So therefore,
Yeah,
that is Ramanujacharya. Correct. So Anuja, remember Tanuja? What was Tanuja? Tanuja.
Anuja means follower.
Tanuja we just saw. Tanuja, Tanaya for son.
Mataji, is this only for younger brothers and older brothers?
Yeah, we'll see for the female version next. Okay. So this is younger brother is Anuja and elder brother is Agraja. Okay, Ramanuja, Lakshmana. Who is Lakshmana Agraja?
Shatrughna.
Rama. Correct. Lakshmana Agraja. Who's the elder brother of Lakshmana?
Ram.
Um,
And Bharata.
Yeah, Bharata. Nice.
go to the
Very
next
good.
slide?
Very sharp. Yeah. So write down that, and you see the ra here. You see for the ga there is a ra. Agraja, Anuja. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? This is for the female version. We have just seen brother.
Mataji, I'm still not done yet.
Oh, okay. Write it down. Write it down. Elder brother is Agraja. Younger brother is Anuja. Jyeshta means older. Kanishta means younger. Okay.
Go to the next slide.
Okay. Next one is for the female version. Sister. Elder sister is Jyeshta Bhagini. Younger sister is Kanishta Bhagini. Elder sister is Agraja.
Mataji, I'm
Younger
still not
sister
last.
Anuja.
What's the last one?
Yeah, Mataji, I wasn't done with the other slide yet.
Okay.
Can you go to the next one now?
Okay.
I'm not done with the last slide.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. So actually there is a mistake here. There is a it should not be there. It's just Bhagini, Bhagini. Jyeshta Bhagini, Kanishta Bhagini. And when you talk about sister, the Agraja will become Agraja. Anuja will become Anuja. Just like how Tanuja became Tanuja and Tanaya became Tanaya, like that. Same concept.
Mataji, can you explain that again? How it becomes a bigger ah?
No, there is no bigger A. It's a mistake that I made. It is just Bhagini, Bhagini, that's all. Oh, this one you're asking? Yes, Agraja. When you say female, you have to extend the last syllable. So instead of Agraja, which was a brother, it became Agraja. Instead of Anuja, which is a brother, it became Anuja for sister.
Mataji,
Thank you, Mataji.
so so are you trying to say like letter is the one we shouldn't write?
Huh?
Are you trying to say like the second letter is the one we shouldn't write?
The second letter, the Ja, is that what you're asking?
No, the first one.
Here?
The second one.
Okay, this one, the Bhagini.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you don't put the this one line here. Don't add that. I've written it by mistake.
Okay.
No line.
Don't like that that line there.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah. So one last one is we are going to find out who is Balaram Anuja. Who's the
Krishna.
brother of Balaram? Balaram Anuja. That means he's the younger brother of Balaram. Who is Gadagraja?
Gadadhara.
Gadagraja.
Chaitanya. Nityananda.
No. It's actually Krishna because Krishna has a younger brother called as Gada. Okay.
Gada.
Yeah. He's one of Vasudev's other wives. Vasudev had many wives. like Devaki, he had one more wife by the name Deva Rakshita or something, and
So it's more like a cousin, right, Mataji? Not a brother?
step brother, yes.
Stepbrother.
Yes, and his name was Gada. So therefore, Gada was younger than Krishna. So therefore, he's called as Gadagraja. Krishna's name is elder brother of Gada. So he's called Gadagraja. Ah,
Is one of Vasudev's wives Rohini?
yes, that's right. Okay.
For Yamuna, wasn't it older
Who is
brother?
Yamuna? Whose sister is Yamuna?
Yamaraja.
Anuja became Yamuna.
Dhanraj.
Yeah, Yamaraj and Yamuna are the sons of Surya.
Yeah. So she is Yama Anuja. She became Yamuna.
Ramanuja, Yamanuja, Yamunanuja.
This is plus, it is not T. So in case you're writing it, this is a plus sign.
Oh, it's a plus.
Yeah, it's not T. It looks like a T. My handwriting is so bad. I have to.
No, it's not.
Mine is even worse.
Bad. Is that Mataji? Is that a T, Mataji?
No, dear, it is a plus sign. Yama plus Anuja is Yamuna.
Okay. Your
Mm.
handwriting is actually good. It's not
Thank
bad.
It's 8:17. It's time to go.
Yes, so time to stop.
My handwriting.
Okay. So now Madhva class, we have an exam now. We have to go and give them exam paper.
Yeah, that's what my brother told me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll meet again tomorrow and we'll make small sentence, not tomorrow, next time, next class, we'll make small sentences with these, okay, with the relationships.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you for
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji ki jai. Ananta Koti Krishna.